How to free up memory by stopping background apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Now from here, go down and tap on memory. Next, tap on the View More button and then choose what you want to clean up. So here, let's say if I do not want to clean up Samsung Note, I can deselect that. After that, at the top here, tap on the Clean Now button. And that's it. We now have more memory back. So we have successfully freed up memory by stopping background apps, except the one we have deselected. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.